Meal prepping is a great way to make sure you're staying healthy all week long, but sometimes it can be hard to stick with the plan. So we're bringing you some tips on how to make meal prep easier. First, if you get bored eating the same thing, try breaking it up. Make a couple of different meals, and what you don't eat, freeze for the week ahead. That way you can keep yourself excited about your planned healthy eating. Next, try using one ingredient different ways. So cook something like chicken, and you can pair it with a different side dish every day. So one day with a salad, the next day it's tacos. That way you're still planning ahead and keeping your taste buds entertained. And finally, a key part to maintaining your meal prep plan is to simply set time aside to do it. Schedule time into your week, and that way you're more likely to stick to the plan. These 3 tips will keep you on track to your healthy eating goals. For more health hacks, head to our website, livinghealthytv.com.